real lonely. Girl, if you love me, then just stay into the morning. I will be known when I'm alone.
Alright, y'all, so we here at Smash Burgers, and it's another food review. But listen, this whole channel isn't about like food reviews and trying food. I'm just opening up my channel because I'm trying to get into the content creating. But yeah, it's my first time trying Smash Burgers, so we about to get into it. Well, it's not gonna be just me. It's gonna be me and my friend. But I'm about to order it. Pull up on them, chill, eat. Both this matter of fact, this is our both time trying Smash Burgers. So shout out my boy Daryl. We gonna come in here because he told me to come here and try Smash Burgers. So we about to go in here. Let me get my wallet. I'm not gonna lie. I probably gotta work on like my content creator like attitude, because I'm trying to give the people something to watch. Like they can be like, damn, this nigga sound boring, but man, entertainment is entertainment. Somebody gonna find some shit entertaining. So we about to go in here, see what they got. If this shit probably better than Arby's, truthfully. So we gonna find out and see. We gonna find out. What up? I popped out. Popped out. What up?
What do you think?
Yeah.
We can't, our faces can't do anything.
This is only gonna be on me.
Yeah,
Only gonna be on me.
yeah.
Yeah.
Other than that, I got you.
I appreciate you.
This is the, order what you want, and this on me.
I got you. Oh, I appreciate you.
Yeah. The menu?
Huh?
Just have her ring it up. I'm gonna have a menu for you know whatever what you get.
All right. Yeah. Only thing is, I don't know, because like it's me and somebody else reviewing this. So I don't want you to.
I got you, but the other person, they gotta pay.
Okay, I'll pay for them then.
Bet.
Appreciate you. I'm gonna show y'all the inside of this. I can't show their faces, but I'm gonna show y'all the inside of the Smash Burger. I appreciate you. This is what the inside look like. Cold Bevs. Yo, did you see the video? Did you watch it? Word. Alright, so we're gonna check out the menu real quick. We're gonna check it out together. They got that classic smash, American smash, bacon stack smash. Oh, here go the chicken. This is what I'm looking at right here. I don't want to go OD, but I think I'm gonna try. These shits are definitely the same. Oh, I'm gonna try the chicken. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try the chicken smash burger. And for y'all, I try this shit. I don't fuck with spicy foods, but for y'all, I chop this. These are sides. They got smashed fries, tot, sweet potato. I'm about to call her right now and see what they want. Yo, so this is what they got. This is what they have here. They got something called Classic Smash, American, All American Smash, Bacon Stack Smash, Spicy Jalapeno Smash, Barbecue Bacon Smash, Truffle Mushroom Smash, and Veggie Smash. It's beef. What do you mean? Oh, so the bacon one. I'm gonna say which one would you want to try? That's what I'm saying. You got the classic smash. The ultimate is American cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, red onions, pickles, and smash sauce ketchup. You got the All American Smash. It's American cheese, red onions, pickles, mustard, ketchup. And then the bacon, we don't want bacon. You got the jalapeno. You got the jalapeno smash. Grilled jalapenos, pepper jack cheese, cheddar cheese, lettuce, chipotle ranch, and spicy chipotle bun. Alright, and for their drinks. For their sides, they got smash fries. They got regular. Oh shit. Camera not even on the. Camera fucking up. Yeah, for the fries, they got smash fries. They got smash tots, regular tots, sweet potato waffle fries, and crispy Brussels sprouts. That's what you want? They got, all they got is fountain drinks, like the regular. I think so. This camera's acting wrong. Yeah. It's just regular fountain drinks, like regular fountain drinks.
What happened?
I said it's just regular fountain drinks.
Let me see. What are you showing me? I don't see it.
Right here, look.
What do you see?
It's just regular drinks. And then they got shakes.
Nah, you trying to put me on the toilet, bro?
Right, so
What's regular fountain drink?
like, you know, soda,
That's
Coke,
size. Regular
Sprite.
size or large?
Huh?
What that says? Regular or large? That's regular size or large?
Yeah, regular and large. Regulars.
But it doesn't have the flavors.
To me, I think they probably have like the basic flavors.
Huh?
I think they have like the basic flavors on them.
You want something to
So yo. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. I'm waiting for her to let me know what she want, because the background music gave me copyright the last time I was in, so I'm just trying to order and do the review on my car.
Dennis.
What's up?
Dennis.
Yo. Hello?
Yeah.
Alright, so tell me what you want. It's just regular. I'm saying you might as well just get water there. Just drink your water.
Okay, I'll just keep on with it.
So you wanted the spicy jalapeno smash, and then the
Yeah. And the sweet potato waffle fries.
all right. Word. Okay, so I'll let you know when I'm on my way. When I'm there.
Okay, alright.
Yeah, one thing I'm gonna get the chicken smash with smash fries. That's it. Chicken smash with some smash fries. And then she's gonna get the jalapeno smash with some potato fries. She gonna drink water. That's what she's gonna have. So, but I can't get their faces in the camera, so I'm just gonna order and then do the review in my car. So, alright, I'm ready. Alright, so I'm gonna get the chicken smash burger with smash fries.
Smash burger. Regular size smash fry?
What's the difference? Like regular
Breakfast is regular and a large.
regular.
Regular?
And then the other one is spicy smash, the sweet potato waffles, cookies and cream, and then 3 scorching hot tenders.
So this one the first one number 1.
Yeah.
Okay. So the second one is the
Jalapeno smash.
single patty.
Yeah, single patty.
With sweet potato fries.
Yes, sir. And 3 of the scorching hot tenders. And then
You got ranch or anything on the side with that?
got blue cheese?
No.
we do ranch.
Ranch. And you said the cookies and cream milkshake?
Yes, sir. Cookies and cream. Yeah.
With cream?
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that.
30, 34.
Appreciate it. That do to go, right?
And, both of these to go?
Yeah, only because I got copyrighted with the music in the background.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Both of them?
Yeah. That tip goes to you, right?
Nah, with some stuff.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all gotta split it?
No, they do. I don't get. I'm the boss. I don't get. Tips.
I
Good.
appreciate you.
Gotta probably start with you if you know.
No, I did the one for
Arby's, yeah. I didn't get a chance. Yeah, I'm gonna check them today. I got you, bro. I promise.
Tag me with the video too.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Alright. Yo, so he gave me the first one on the house, but I had to pay for the second one. I fuck with that. You know what I'm saying? And stuff like that. And Arby's got the 5-star. So just because that's already 5-star material right here. You feel me? You paying for my thing. So you already got 5 stars right there. Daryl, he a real nigga, bro. All working, cool dude. You know what I'm saying? Show me love at Arby's, show me love at Smash Burgers. So that's the only right thing to do. I think what I'm gonna do is cause I paid for it, but he said he don't get the tip. So what I'm gonna do is I don't know. Okay, so he said he only worked I think Arby's. Damn, when he worked Arby's? I think when did I go to Arby's? I don't know when I went to, bro. I'm gonna pull up the Arby's like a gift card or some shit for him. Like, yo, I appreciate you for your hospitality and how you treated me and stuff like that. So yeah, one first time trying this shit. Listen, also too, my third video. If y'all tapped in and y'all watching me, I'm doing a giveaway. So like, it's gonna be like little shit like Amazon gift cards, best like the little gift cards, and the code's gonna be like tagged somewhere in the video, hidden type shit. You just gotta pause it, find it. That way I'm getting viewers, watchers, and not watching me. So we're gonna do that. But I'm not about to sit here and boy y'all niggas. I'm not trying. But yeah, like I got mad pranks, mad skits on the way. I don't want to say them on camera because you know when you say shit and you don't do it, other people take your ideas. Bro, there's a whole bunch of shit I got coming for this channel that y'all don't even know yet. But the few ones who fuck with me, they watch me, they comment, they view, they show support. Y'all the ones that's gonna be blessed in the long run. You feel me? Y'all the ones that's gonna be moderators and being part of videos and skits and, you know what I'm saying? Being part of giveaways and there's all types of stuff. So when the food come out, and I hope this shit don't get. I really hope this shit don't get copyrighted because of the music in the background. Because my last video got copyrighted, so I'm not trying to really speak too much inside here. I could have went to the drive-thru, but you know, I want to show Daryl some love, so I came in, chopped it up. So moving forward, I'm just going for the drive-thru for all my reviews, so I don't get copyrighted or nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know how the food tastes. Matter of fact, y'all gonna see me eating it. Just for y'all. I don't eat spicy shit, but I got scorching hot wings for y'all, bro. I did that shit for y'all. So if y'all see me gagging, whatever, no, pause. Ain't none of that shit over here. But if y'all see me sweating and nose snotty and shit, cause them shit's fucked me up. But yeah, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all, alright? So chill, bro.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Alright, so look, we about to get into the Smash Burger review. This is the
Damn, you got the fucking heat blasted.
I'm off, turn on. This is Smash fries. I'm gonna show y'all. These are your waffle fries. Oh no!
Yo, the fuck?
My fault.
You love my big back ass.
These are
What's that?
The spicy, scorching hot tenders. You gonna try
Oh
one?
my god, yeah. Duh. You know what I had for dinner last night?
I'm not sure.
Jerk chicken. Right? Burn my butt this morning.
I think that's a little too much. Oh, this is your. I think this is spicy. I don't know how the fuck they didn't label it. But this is smashed chicken right here. Ranch.
This is the jalapeno one?
Yeah. Alright, so wait, before you dig in. We're gonna show y'all everything. You feel me? We're gonna show y'all. This is the spicy. This shit smells spicy. This the smash fries. It's just basically fucking garlic. It look like Parmesan.
Okay, hold on, one do mine. Alright, this is the garlic.
Yeah.
Was it not the garlic? It's jalapeno.
Spicy jalapeno. This is smash chicken.
Chicken? I thought you got fish.
No.
Okay.
Chicken.
And then a little Like, come on.
Yeah,
waffle,
they could
sweet
have
potato
blessed
waffle
it more. And then this, yo, I don't know why, but when he handed this shit to me, he was like, yo, bro, you really gonna fuck with it. Like, you really, I don't know what he did on some shit, but nigga, he was like, yeah, you gonna fuck with it. So the fries. They're a little hard, I'm not gonna lie. It's just, you wanna try one?
Mine's is hard too. But it's not bad.
It's not a bad hard, like, damn, like, these niggas over fried it.
Pause it, I can answer. You can pause it?
Alright, hold up. So, yeah, the fries, they don't taste over. Basically, it tastes like whoever was doing the fries, it's probably their first day on the job. But the owner, Darnell, yo, that dude needs a raise or whatever, because that dude, I'm saying, his hospitality skills, amazing. Greeted me. He just made it clear, like, he was just like, yo, bro, you good? Just the workers can't get their face in the camera, so I did that. I'm gonna try these last, because these shits might, you know what I'm saying, put me in the hospital.
The waffle fries, they're good. I'll give them a 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10. Their ranch is a little watery as fuck, like Wingstop's, like Wingstop fries.
Let me taste it.
See how watery it is? But so far, just the fries alone, Smash Burgers. The Smash Burger fries, I'll give them a 5.5 for these fries. I give them a 5.
3.5? Alright.
No, 5.5.
Oh, 5.5? I give it 3. Let me taste yours.
The sweet potatoes is a 3, not these.
You ever had truffle fries? Sorry, I'm gonna pick that up.
No? Are these truffle fries? Okay.
No.
You not fucking with them?
No.
But what about it though? Like, it tastes like garlic prawn fries.
What kind of fries are those?
Smash fries.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
They taste like they're supposed to have cheese on them.
I think he did ask me, but I denied it.
Okay. Well, I'm about to bite into my burger. Oh, are you about to try the nuggets first?
No, I'm trying them last. I gotta make a thumbnail.
How you do this? Oh,
I gotta make a thumbnail.
Nigga.
My fault, y'all. I was just making a thumbnail. So
what the fuck? Why?
Get it?
Why it has to be the fucking con?
Smash
Give
burger.
me a nugget. Give me a nugget.
She's gonna try the scorching nuggets, the scorching ones.
What the fuck is this?
Scorching tenders.
Nigga, you said nugget.
Yo, okay, nah, try it. Listen,
Look how big that shit is.
bro. They said that shit's the scorching rating is like fucking
It looks really crunchy.
Yeah, but they said that shit's hot as fuck. They
And
said,
well seasoned.
said you might need like ranch or some. Milk to.
Stop. I'm a Guyanese. This ain't nothing.
All right. Is it spicy? That shit kicking her ass right now.
Yeah, it's spicy, but it's not scorching hot.
Alright, so I'm gonna try the smashed chicken.
It's good. It's moist. It's not dry. It's good.
I'm not gonna lie, this shit do taste healthy as hell.
The smash burger?
Yeah, it tastes fresh. Same thing with Arby's. It tastes
I like it with the ranch.
I like the sauce on here, the mayonnaise, the
I will get this again.
tender.
It's really good. Really, really good. It's not that spicy, but
I'm not a spice person, so this shit better not make me
shit fire.
cause I'm scared right now. Like I'm not. Let's see.
First of all, that was barely any ranch. But see, it's not dry, right? Mm-hmm.
It is supposed to be the a chicken breast. Yeah, it's not spicy. It got like a little kick to it, but it's not.
You just coughed. Your eyes are watering.
But it's not like.
You can't even talk. You can't even talk.
It's not like I need milk or something, but it tastes good though.
Yo, you got the Arizona right there. Put them onto that Arizona.
Oh yeah. For some of y'all who don't know, this is the best Arizona flavor. The mango. Yeah, this shit got a kick to it. I'm gonna say like, damn, like.
Moving on. It's really not that spicy.
No, it's not, but it's good though.
Mm-hmm. I would get, if I ever go back there, I will get those and I'll get the fries.
Yeah,
with cheese.
This for sure. The fries with cheese. The smash chicken burger is definitely fire. Shout out to the chef.
The burger's alright.
Is it spicy?
No. The jalapeno burger is really not that spicy. And I feel like it's dry. I don't know if it's because of the bread or they just didn't put enough sauce on it. But the cheese is really well melted.
I feel bad because I was in the gym yesterday.
Yeah. I just need a sauce that said, boom, bitch. But that shit is not it. And you got no napkins?
Check that bag right there. You want the last one?
Yeah. Yep, this napkin, bro. Mm-hmm. This is different. It's definitely filling me up.
So you never had smash burgers?
Never. I don't think I've ever heard of them either.
Alright, so this is the next thing. I think the straw is in the that bag right there.
And the smash burger, I don't like that the veggie is cooked.
What do you mean?
It's like the lettuce is like cooked. Like they put it on there and it just melted. There's no crunch.
Oh, like you don't? Okay, I know what you're saying. She don't like when it's like cooked on, but like me, when I go to Subway, and I get lettuce. I like all my shit hot. Oh yeah, this is fire.
I'm not trying that. I'm lactose.
She said she's gonna try it off camera, guys.
No, I'm not. I'm lactose.
Don't they got like pills for that?
Yeah, you got some? Alright, see, now I'm starting to taste the jalapeno, but the jalapeno is just like, it's only in the center of the burger.
But it's like the little baby jalapenos, right? Like the ones, the basic ones.
Yeah. I thought like the jalapeno would be in the meat.
Like, because it's smashed, right? They should have smashed it all up together.
Mm-hmm.
That, yo, Daryl, if you watch this, that's an idea. So like, have it recommended like people who want everything smashed up together, like the jalapenos or whatever, like the tomatoes, lettuce, smashed up all together. That'll be a dope idea if you could have it that way. But well, you can taste the difference between like good food and trash food. Like this shit's on like McDonald's, Burger King, or like them other restaurants. But the burger just tastes like this shit tastes like they took their time to make it.
full. I'm full. Woo!
You're full? So you don't want the last nugget?
I do. I'm still gonna eat that shit. Unless you want it. You fucking them fries up.
I don't know. It's just like garlic parm type shit like they put. The fries are good, but I'm not gonna like. I can't finish it not because I'm full. It's just that the texture. Like, it's just too fucking
Crunchy?
too crunchy. Yeah. Cookies and cream shake. I recommend buying that. This shit is nice.
I can't wait till it go through you.
It's not. It's not gonna go through me. I'm not lactose.
Oh, alright.
Put that.
Bro, this shit got a waffle fry in it.
Alright, y'all. So listen. On my third video, I said it earlier. On my third video that I post, I'm gonna be doing like little giveaways, like Amazon cards and like Best Buy, like little shit that people use. Gift cards. I'll probably do like $35 codes within my video so y'all niggas can actually watch it and not just fucking watch the first 4 seconds of my shit and click off. But like, it's not. But yeah.
Yo, I'm full.
But yeah, Smash Burgers is definitely on my to eat again list. I'm sorry, Arby's. I know I was Team Arby's, but I'm switching up. I'm Team Smash Burger now.
He said he not about to finish it. Look at him. He can't stop.
It's not I can't stop.
It's
I
so
think,
good.
I think it's garlic parma. I love garlic parma. I don't know.
Give me
what is
another
it?
one. Matter of fact, give me the whole thing.
But it was full, huh? So, listen.
I burped and
Drop a comment, like what y'all want to see me, you know what I'm saying, try next, eat next. I got other shit coming up too, like I got prank skits. I don't know if I want to do it all on the same channel, so, but I am going to be consistent with the video drama. So, I'm going to chop it up with y'all later. I appreciate y'all for watching my first video. First video got 2K likes. It's probably got more as we speak, as we posting this video. But I appreciate y'all for the likes, the comments, the shares, and everything. We only to the top from here, so I'm gonna see y'all in the third video. The third video is like little giveaways. So I'm gonna catch y'all on my third video.
You say you love me, but I just feel real lonely. Girl, if you love me, then just stay until the morning. I will be known when I'm alone.